If you feel tension or pain in your hands while you practice, or you just can't seem to build stamina at the piano, today's video is for you. I'd like to show you exactly what's causing this and how to fix it. Tension is at the root of all pain and fatigue at the piano. And do you know what the most common cause is? It's trying to play a passage too fast, too soon. When you push your muscles through motions they're not used to, they tense up. I frequently hear two things from pianists that I want to address. These seem logical, but they actually make things worse. Number one, I'll just push through it. Please don't. Pushing through tension and fatigue can lead to permanent injury. More repetition without addressing the root cause only exacerbates the problem. Number two, I need more hours, more force, more control. More is not better here. Trying to play faster or louder than your fingers can realistically handle only makes tension worse. Quality practice time, not more time, is what you need. Slow practice with a primary focus on good technique will get you on the right track. So what does good technique actually look like? Let me walk you through some key things to focus on. In large, powerful chords, use your arm weight instead of solely relying on your fingers. So here's the fourth ballade of Chopin. This is the last chords of the piece. Notice how I play the chord with exertion. I push down, but I push up. And when I push up, I totally relax my arms. Relax. Yes, I'm putting some exertion when I push, but then I relax. Now here, I play the chord to hold it, but the minute I play it, I let go of the tension. So I'm holding the chord, but there's no tension in my arms. I'm just totally relaxed. In repeated figures, your arms and wrists should stay very loose. Stay close to the keys. Excess movement slows you down and it breeds tension. Here's the Chopin Scherzo in C sharp minor, where we have these big octaves. Now, notice I'm staying very close to the keys, but I'm also feeling very loose in my wrists. I'm not playing them like this, where there's all this tension in here. Watch again, how loose. And the minute I played that octave right there, I let go of the tension. I didn't sit there and stay stiff. I completely relaxed the tension. What about the shoulders? A lot of pianists hold tension right there without ever noticing that they do it. I encourage you to put some kind of note on your piano that reminds you to keep your shoulders relaxed. It's very important, and keep them down. Now, how you sit matters enormously. Sitting too close to the piano affects your hand position, so it gets all scrunched. The bench should be far enough back that you're able to swing your arms freely like this. And please move your body when you're playing higher or lower. Move in front of that. And don't keep yourself here and try to reach like this. That's a recipe for disaster. You're going to miss your notes if you do that. And it also causes tension. If you're watching this, chances are you want to do more than just get through a piece. You want to play long, impressive pieces without feeling tension and fatigue. That is absolutely possible. I know because I've done it. I've played hundreds of 70-minute recitals and concerts in my career. My process was always the same, and it's the same process I teach my students. Start slow and mindful, and get to know your pieces thoroughly. Slow practice with careful attention to technique and staying relaxed is how you build the right foundation. Then you gradually increase the speed. One thing to remember is to warm up first. Always warm up with technique exercises before you dive into your repertoire. And then stop when your hands or forearms are fatigued. Not after the fatigue has already turned into soreness. Slow down, rebuild with relaxation first. Then increase your speed only when your body stays loose. And build your stamina gradually. To handle long technical pieces, you do need to build up stamina. But I recommend that you do this gradually, just a few more notes or a couple more measures each day. If you're getting bored with practicing the same exercises, I hope you'll grab my free PDF linked below called Unique Piano Technique. It's a wonderful place to start putting everything we've talked about today into practice. And before you go, I'd love to hear where tension creeps up for you. Is it in your forearm during fast passages? Your wrist after a long practice session? Your shoulders? Leave a comment below and tell me what you experience.